Hello friends, I am Jyoti Ranjan from Alphabet IS, and today we are going to discuss few things about the UPSC 2020 mains exam, which is going to be held on January 8, 2021. Okay, so first thing is your exam structure. I hope we all are preparing very hard and we are surely going to crack the exam this time. Okay, so first thing is your structure of the exam. In UPSC mains exam, there are four types of papers. First is your qualifying papers, then is your essay paper, then your GS papers, and then your optional papers. In the qualifying section, you have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2, and there is a sectional cutoff of 25%. That means we need to score at least 75 marks in order to qualify in these papers. 75 marks in each paper. Okay, if someone is not scoring the list or the cutoff mark, that is 75 mark in each paper, then UPSC will not review your essay, your GS and your optional papers. So just make sure you are not ignoring these two papers, your qualifying papers. Okay, then your essay paper, then your GS paper and your optional papers. Another thing I would like to share, these qualifying papers, the score you will have in qualifying papers will not be counted in your merit. Okay, so just they are qualifying in nature. So the question here is, what is considered as a good score? As we know, the UPSC mains exam has a total marks of 1750. And if we will analyze the past trend, the past few years cutoff marks of the main writing exam, that is from 2019 to 2014, then we can find something that scoring somewhere around 800 to 850, okay, can be considered as a good score in the civil services main exam. Another thing is that make a proper strategy, a perfect plan, so that, and the plan should be according to your strength and weakness, because strength and weakness differs from person to person. So my strength is not equal to his strength, so strength and weakness of all of us are not same. Okay, strength weakness हमेशा डिफरेंट होता है, डिफरेंट है, इट वेरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. Plan accordingly to your strength and weakness so that you will score 800 plus. Okay, and this score will take you to the next round, that is your personality interview round, and also your chances of getting selected in the final round, that is in the final selection, will be much higher than others if your score is 800 plus, or I would say to 830 to 850. Okay, then comes four things just you need to ensure that you are not missing in your preparation. In these 40 days which is remaining for the civil services main exam, just ensure that syllabus analysis, previous year question paper analysis, time management and writing practice. You are not missing these four things, because many of students always miss these things and later they regret, because writing practice, time management, previous year question analysis and your syllabus analysis are an integral part of your mains preparation. Okay, go through the syllabus multiple times. Don't even miss a single point from the syllabus, especially your GS papers and your optional papers. Then another thing is analyze previous year question papers multiple times. By analyzing previous year question papers, you will find a trend as how UPSC is setting questions and from which areas questions are coming. आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि दिमाग में एक प्लान, एक आइडिया आ जाएगा कि इस 40 डेज को कैसे हमें हैंडल करना है और कैसे मैनेज करना है. ठीक है. writing practice and your time management. See, UPSC is giving 3 hours for your 250 marks paper. Each of your papers are of 250 marks. And let's suppose you will take 10 minutes for the signature part or for the reviewer who will sign in your answer sheet, and you have to also sign somewhere. Okay, ये सिग्नेचर पार्ट और ये जो सब चीज़ के लिए लेट सपोज हमें 10 मिनट्स माइनस करना है, देन 170 मिनट्स में you need to answer 250 marks. Okay, so just divide your time with your marks and you will get some calculation that for each 10 marks question you will get somewhere around 6.5 to 6.8 minutes only. Means you need to answer a 10 marks question within 6.5 to 6.8 minutes. Okay, so without practicing enough writing, it will be very difficult for you to manage those 3 hours in your exam hall. Just practice enough writing, especially your essay paper and your optional papers and your GS papers. Okay. Also limit your sources of reading at this point of time, because you have only 40 days left and you are at the last stage of your preparation for the mains exam. And at this point of time, if you are following multiple sources, okay, then you will get confused, and this confusion will lead you to nervousness. So just avoid following multiple sources at this time. Just read those things which you have read in your past. Okay, past में जो आपने पढ़ा है वही चीज फॉलो करिए, and yes, multiple revision is a must. Okay, revise those things you read in past multiple times. Go through each and every sentence. Okay, and also the current affairs part. Don't follow new books or new sources at this point of time. Be confident. Don't ever feel nervous. Okay, confidence रखिए अपने अंदर कि you are going to crack the exam this time, क्योंकि you have already cracked the pre-exam, so it's not difficult to crack the mains exam as well. क्यों नहीं होगा? तैयारी अच्छा हो, स्ट्रैटेजी अच्छा हो तो आराम से हो जाएगा. बस you need to keep patience, you need to believe in yourself, and you should keep yourself motivated for the exam, for the preparation, and also keep faith in God. भगवान सब कुछ होते हैं. इस टाइम पे भगवान पे भरोसा रखिए और अपना प्रिपरेशन खूब जोर शोर से करिए. ठीक है. Forget about your past. The main thing is forget about your past. Some of us are giving the UPSC main exam first time, and some of us we have already given the exam in our past. So success or failure, that doesn't matter. Just keep yourself motivated and try your best so that you can crack or you can qualify this time. And please remember, there is nothing like next time. ये नेक्स्ट वाला कोई सीन नहीं होता. अनदर थिंग्स, डोंट थिंक दैट व्हाट विल हैपन इन द नेक्स्ट इफ यू आर नॉट क्वालिफाइंग सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जाम दिस टाइम. नेक्स्ट के बारे में मत सोचिए. दिस विल अफेक्ट योर साइकोलॉजी, दिस विल पुट प्रेशर ऑन यू, एंड दिस विल अफेक्ट योर प्रिपरेशन एज वेल. ठीक है. योर मोटिवेशन लेवल विल गो डाउन. सो अवॉइड दिस थिंग. फॉरगेट अबाउट योर पास्ट. ठीक है. पास्ट क्या हुआ था, नहीं हुआ था, हम यस ऑफ कोर्स लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स, कि आपने पास्ट में क्या मिस्टेक किया था. जस्ट एनालाइज दैट. अवॉइड थिंकिंग दैट व्हाट विल हैपन इन द नेक्स्ट इफ आई एम नॉट क्वालिफाइंग द एग्जाम. ये चीज दिमाग से हटा दीजिए. यू आर गोइंग टू क्वालिफाई दिस टाइम. ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप क्वालिफाई नहीं करोगे। क्यों नहीं करोगे? तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्यों, व्हाई यू विल नॉट क्वालिफाई दिस टाइम। पूछिए अपने आप से क्यों नहीं करोगे, व्हाई, आपको क्यों लगता है कि यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू क्वालिफाई द एग्जाम दिस टाइम। ऐसा कोई सीन ही नहीं है कि यू विल नॉट क्वालिफाई एग्जाम दिस टाइम इफ योर प्रिपरेशन इज so hard and you are working very hard, you are following a proper strategy, a proper planning, and you are self motivated, you are determined, okay, all these things, पॉजिटिव एनर्जी क्रिएट कीजिए अपने अंदर, सारे नेगेटिविटी को दूर रखिए, ठीक है। अनदर थिंग, कट ऑफ योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड्स, योर नेबर्स एंड इफ पॉसिबल फ्रॉम योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, ठीक है। ये मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है। समटाइम्स ये जो होते हैं हमारे मतलब फ्रेंड्स, नेबर्स और समटाइम्स आवर फैमिली ऑल्सो, दे आर समटाइम्स दे एक्ट एज अ ग्रेट demotivating factor. So at this point of time, nobody will come to motivate you except yourself. Believe in you, believe in yourself, ठीक है, और keep yourself motivated and dedicate हो जाइए इस 40 days को यूटिलाइज प्रॉपरली सो दैट योर नेम्स विल कम इन द फाइनल लिस्ट, ओके। लास्ट थिंग इज योर हेल्थ। प्रिपरेशन के बीच में हेल्थ को मत भूलिएगा, बिकॉज हेल्थ इज वेल्थ एंड वी नो विदाउट ए गुड हेल्थ एवरीथिंग व्हाट वी आर प्लानिंग, maybe our strategy, maybe our preparation, everything will be affected, ठीक है। ये जो चीज है हेल्थ, जरूर ध्यान रखिएगा। डू सम एक्सरसाइज, फॉलो प्रॉपर डाइट, हैव सम साउंड स्लीप, ठीक है, और स्टे एट होम, बी सेफ। बाहर थोड़ा भी माहौल थोड़ा खराब है, ठीक है, ये जो खराब माहौल ड्यू टू कोविड, ठीक है, इसके लिए सब परेशान हैं, गवर्नमेंट से लेके फैमिली से लेके खुद परेशान है हम लोग, ठीक है। एग्ज़ाम के लिए भी मतलब सोचते रहते हैं कि एग्ज़ाम के लिए जाएंगे तो ऐसा ना हो कि एग्ज़ाम दे देते कोविड हो जाए, कुछ चीज़ सब डोंट थिंक अबाउट ऑल दोज थिंग्स, ठीक है। ओनली फोकस ऑन योर स्टडी, फोकस ऑन हाउ टू क्रैक द एग्जाम दिस टाइम, ओनली दिस टाइम, देयर इज नो नेक्स्ट टाइम। नेक्स्ट टाइम का कोई सीन ही नहीं है, आपको इस टाइम क्वालिफाई करना है, ठीक है। प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली 45 डेज इज एनफ इफ आपने पास्ट में कुछ पढ़ा है, ठीक है। इन द लास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू से वी आर अल्फाबेटाइज एंड वी आर बेस्ड इन दिल्ली। वी प्रोवाइड coaching in optional subjects, particularly sociology and psychology optional for the UPSC Civil Services main exam, and I am giving our contact information, our email ID and other links in the below description box. Please reach out to us if you need any help or if you need anything, any suggestion or any assistance. We are here to help you. We will be happy to help you, okay. Please subscribe our channel. In the next video we are going to discuss few things about sociology and psychology optionals with the planning and how to make proper strategy for these days, for this for last stage preparation, okay. So please subscribe our channel, and till that, bye bye, thank you, jai Hind.